Welcome to P&RDiner. I'm Baby, and today I'm going to show you how to make a watermelon mojito. It's easy to make and fun to serve. It's perfect for summertime get-togethers and parties for adults. So here's what you need. You can scoop out the melon any way you want, but make sure to leave enough rim so you can use it as a serving bowl. Let's blend the melon. And then it's time to get the alcohol going. I'm using 2 whole limes and 1/4 of a cup of sugar. You can use any vodka or white rum you like. I like Finlandia and it's very cold. I should have used only 1.5 cup of vodka because the watermelon was kind of small. I've lost the muddler, but that's okay. I can use the bottom of this blender cup to muddle the ingredients. I should have taken out the mint leaves right this moment. Now it's perfect time to subscribe. It's time to serve. And if you freeze up some watermelon cubes, you can cool down your drink even more without watering it down. Well, there you go. That was not hard to do at all. And now it's time to taste. This is good. So have you ever had watermelon mojito before? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't, you should make some because it is damn tasty. It's perfect summertime drink. If you like this video, would you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't done so? There's a whole lot of good food ahead. Go ahead and check out the other items on the menu and I will see you there. Have a great day and thank you for watching. Bye!